Hi everyone, this is Austin from Raw Bliss, and I made it. I made it through a week of Banana Island. Today is actually day 8, and yesterday was a day where I had only 22 bananas, nothing too extreme. And the way I had that was I had 10 bananas around noon, and then I had 5 bananas for lunch around 3. And then I had 7 more for dinner in a smoothie. And yeah, 2 of them were burro bananas, so it's a little different calorie and sugar wise. I find the burro bananas to be more satisfying, so I don't need Cavendish. You just gotta eat more, it seems like. So it is day 8, and today I decided to skip my morning workout routine. Just do a nice 30-minute meditation like I usually do when I wake up, and get out in nature. I wanted to talk about why I go into nature every single day. I try to get out here at least an hour a day, if not more. And that's rain or shine. And the reason for that is just to get more fresh oxygen. I live near Tacoma, which, if you guys know anything about Tacoma, the Tacoma aroma. There's like a paper plant in Tacoma, and it just smells terrible. The air is very polluted, and yeah, the trees act as a buffer for pollutants like carbon dioxide, and so the air is always going to be pure in nature. And just doing deep breathing every day is just so beneficial in many ways. And I find nature to be really healing environment, with all the colors and the sounds of nature, all that. I've just been really drawn to it all my life, and I'm extremely grateful to live where I do, where I can just go into nature every day. It might not be the tropics, but it's beautiful, and I enjoy it a lot. So I'm gonna finish up my walk here, and I'll get back to you guys with what I eat for breakfast. Oh yeah, it's about 9 o'clock right now, by the way. So yeah, I'll check with you guys later. Peace out. Alright, you guys, I'm back here. I got my smoothie ready to be made. 7 bananas in here. I wish I had some burro bananas, but they're just not ripe yet. They gotta be really soft, or else they're gonna be super starchy. So I'm gonna pulse blend this. Get it going. Oh, that is good. All my bananas are super ripe right now. They taste amazing, but I gotta head back to the produce stand, get more bananas today. I couldn't wait. I couldn't put it in a glass or anything. I just drink it straight out of here sometimes. Mm. Mm. Why waste the time? I mean, I'm just gonna drink it anyways. But I wanted to encourage you guys, if you can, get into nature. Just show your appreciation because we take so much from nature and we barely ever go to nature and appreciate all that is and how beautiful it can be. So and it's spring, you guys. I realize these videos might be getting a little boring to watch. Just me eating bananas all the time. But I will have some more videos coming up very soon. And I'm trying to keep it interesting. I'm still loving Banana Island. Oh, it's so good. So yeah, it's about 10 o'clock right now. I gotta head to work in a little bit. Alright, I'm just gonna take some bananas probably. Probably take, let's see. I'll just take these 7 bananas. And I'll eat however many I feel like at the time. I usually take my lunch around 2 p.m. And then, yeah, probably save the rest for later if I don't eat them all, or just eat them all. Just eat all of them, depending on, how busy it is at work or how much I feel like I need to eat. Just eat until satisfied. It's that simple, folks. That simple. So I'll get back to you guys a little bit later today with some more banana goodness. Peace out, everybody. Hey, everyone. I'm back from work. It's about 5:30 right now. And I ended up having about 7 bananas for lunch. And yeah, I'm just snacking on some now. Honestly, I'm getting kind of tired of bananas. But I'll probably do today tomorrow maybe. And then I'll be done. It's been a pretty good run. Oh, excuse me while I peel my banana. I'm definitely gonna incorporate more bananas into my diet. They're just so good in all the ways possible. So yeah, 4 bananas. And I'll get back to you guys with some dinner. So until next time, peace out. Hi everyone, I'm back, and it's pretty late now. It's like 8:30. Went on a produce run to Tacoma, which is about 40 minutes from my house. It's a long run. It's a long drive, but it's definitely worth it because you get like a whole bunch of produce and you only spend like 40-50 bucks. So I'll show you guys what I got pretty soon. So I got a banana smoothie here, 10 bananas. Just gonna smash it down. So I believe tomorrow's gonna be my last day doing Banana Island. I got a bunch of goodies to eat up, and they did not have a box of bananas at the produce stand, which kind of sucked. And all their bananas were kind of green, so they're gonna take a little while to ripen up. So I believe it is time to end the cleanse. And yeah, I think that's about it. Wow, I really needed that. So yeah, how many bananas was that? I think it's like 28 or 29 today. Well, it's about time I break the Banana Island fast. So I got some Minaloas, some navel oranges, a flat of Bartlett pears, 2 amazing papayas, 8 limes, a whole bunch of bananas, of course, 4 cucumbers, 2 cantaloupes, and a bunch of golden delicious apples. So I can't wait to eat this stuff tomorrow. It's gonna be great. So had to edit that last part out. Sorry, I decided to visit for Banana Island. This is my last day. So it's been a great run, and I've had a great time. But there are papayas that need to be eaten. That's all I got to say. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little experiment I did. I absolutely loved it. Had some great benefits, had amazing energy. My final weight is 116, down from 120. Eating simply was amazing, and I would recommend anyone try it. You know, it's a great way to keep your costs down, good way to eat on the go, and it's just a great cleanse on your body. Super simple digestion, super simple. Focus, heightened senses, and increased athletic performance and endurance. And those are the things that I've experienced. So thank you so much for watching, you guys. I'm so grateful for everyone following me along this journey. And I got more great videos to come. So make sure to eat raw and stay blissful. Have a good night, everybody. Peace out.